Roblox has changed so much, and I don't know what to say about it. And today is news to be Roblox has new features coming up, and those are the features that Roblox Kids select and the normal Roblox. So if you are not that like you're not that, how to say about it, I don't know. If you are lower than 15, you are gonna be in the Roblox Kids, and yeah, and Roblox Kids is not the same as the normal Roblox. So that's why I just say that hopefully that's not gonna really actually happen, because that would be really sad, not gonna lie. So, but what you say about it, I don't know, but hit that subscribe button, like button if you want to see more of these, and bye bye.